today we're using a Realme 5 Pro, and I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make a video editing, to make a good and nice looking video by just using a Realme 5 Pro. So okay, so I first thing you'd have to do is to select the video you want to edit and put some effects, sound effects, some filter, and that the video that you took, that you want something that is pretty cool to look, and that is a nice edit. So first is to select the video. This is the video that I take outside this house. So I um first is to go to edit. As you can see, here is the edit. And then of course you have to take it everything, especially 11 to 11. So I think if you want a slow-mo, of course I want this video to get a slow-mo version, so I put it in a 0.5. Like, wow, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah, that's it. Just took it early in the morning, and of course, as you can see, there are a lot of features you could possibly see in your Realme. And here at the filter, and we're using C5. And look, try a look. That's it. There's a lot of features that you could use, and we'll try this C10. It's so very natural and very clear. Well, look at that. Alright, this I'm going to use this, so just click the check here. Of course it is done. And so of course the next thing to do is to put some soundtrack. It's your choice if you have to go in your local, but for me, I'm going to put my own soundtrack. So we're gonna put the 10,000 hours. I choose this 10,000 hours by Justin Bieber because this is one of the most beautiful songs that I have here. Oh yeah.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you jump with your friends at a party?
Oh yeah. So after that, after selecting the what we call this, the sound that you wanted to put in, click the use. Alright.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you jump with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me when you close your eyes? Tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all.
So that's it. So click the check. So that's it. So the next thing to do is to have put some special effect. I would use this close up here, but of course you have to move it from where you want it close up, that thing.
Are you dreaming?
Alright, like this.
What are
I wanna
I wanna know it all.
perfect. It's perfect. So let's try and play it again, and let's see.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you jump with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all.
That's it. Check. So the next thing to do is to put some text in it. So we're gonna put a text in, of course, in the first, in the start of it. So click text and put something that you want it as a title, like such a good morning. Morning. Alright, just click it. But I guess it's not. Hindi siya kita eh. Alright. You have to select a place where you want to add the text. Like that. It's here na lang. And of course that's it. Let's gonna go play it. Of course, to save first. And of course, so let's try it.
Do you think of me?
Wait.
When you close, do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party?
Alright.
What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all.
That's a pretty cool, guys. So that's it. That's the tutorial of with doing a video, by editing a video. That's pretty cool by using Realme 5 Pro. That's okay. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and for the likes, thanks.